Morning, everyone. Just wanted to take the time to walk you through today's workout. I've gotten a lot of awesome feedback from those of you who have done the last workout from yesterday. I like all the suggestions, keep them coming. Obviously, we have to make sure it's equitable to everybody that is in class, but at the same time, I want to make it challenging enough for those of you who need a little bit more of workout or would like a little bit more of a workout. So I'm going to show you our Schoology screen right now. All right, so this is Schoology. Again, my third period class, second period. You need to go with your third period class, but here is where our attendance is. So please make sure you do that before 1 p.m. If I mark you absent, it is going to result in a phone call home the next day. And then we have each of our folders here. All right, so we have Monday, yesterday, and then here is today. So I'm going to open that up. And what you can watch first is actually, this is a summary of my workout from yesterday, which absolutely killed me. Um, so you can take it as entertaining, if anything. And then here is our page for today's workout. So a lot of requests for levels in trying to make things a little bit easier or a little bit more challenging depending on your desire and also your fitness level. So that's what you're going to get today. So you have, again, like yesterday, you'll have 3 tasks and an exit ticket. Okay, we talked about that yesterday as well. Task 1 is going to be the same warm up. If you want to make your warm up longer, by all means, go ahead. If you want to replace any exercises with something of your own, go ahead. Definitely don't do less than what we're doing. If anything, you would want to add a little bit more. Also, same as what we've talked about all quarter in class, if you need to add any additional stretches or anything for you that helps your body feel a little bit better, do that as well. Okay, these are just quick guidelines. And again, I want to try to honor your time as well. So that's why we have it set like this. Task 2 is going to be our daily workout. So you're going to read the directions for the workout, which today there's a lot going on. So I need to make sure that you understand and are locked into what we need you to do. Task 3 is going to be a cool down, which is a optional core workout. I have 3 different videos on there that I'll show you in a second, and you can do 1, you can do 2, you can do 3, or you don't have to do it at all. It's going to be completely up to you. Also, at this point, if you do want to add more stretches, you definitely can do that. Be mindful, those of you who made a comment yesterday about the stretching that I had on there, if you can do all the stretches without a band. I just thought it would be a creative way for you to be able to find a belt or use a towel to get your band stretches in. I know there's quite a few of you that like to use that during class. Also, being able to use some sort of you can use a can of vegetables, a can of soup to roll out any tough muscles. Otherwise, if you do have your own foam roller, go ahead and use that. And then, as we will have every day, we have an exit ticket. Our today's exit ticket is actually going to be a video reflection, and we'll get down to that in a second. All right, so task 1, same as yesterday. Here are the lovely gifts of our dynamic warm up. Now we have task 2. So this is our daily workout. Depending on which level you choose or what choice you make, it could take 22 minutes or it might take you up to an hour, again, depending on how much time you have and depending on what intensity you want to choose. So what you need to do is you're going to need to figure out what kind of timer you're going to use because you're going to have work time and rest time. So you need to figure out how you're going to time that. I think using your iPad or even using your phone timer would be your best bet. Then you're going to see the list of exercises that we have. And what you need to understand is that there's 2 exercises paired together, and we have them listed as exercise 1 and exercise 2. Okay. You can choose your level of intensity based on the challenge that you want. So if you're looking to improve athletic performance, choice 1 is for you. If you're looking to just push your level of fitness, choice 2. And those of you who are just wanting to maintain what you have been working on and what we've done in class, choice 3 is probably going to be the best bet for you. So as you look here, we have choice 1, which is for performance, choice 2 for fitness, choice 3 to maintain your health. If you're doing the performance workout, you're going to be doing exercise 1 for 1:30. You're going to rest for 30 seconds and then do exercise 2 for 1:30. Rest for 30 seconds. And you're going to repeat that cycle 3 times. And then you will move to the next group of exercises. If you're choice 2 for maintaining fitness, you're going to work for a minute, you're going to rest for 20. Work for a minute, rest for 20. Repeat that 3 times. And again, move through all 5 groups of exercises. And then finally, if you're choice 3, your work time is going to be 45 seconds. Your rest time is going to be 20 seconds. Work for 45, rest for 20, repeat 3 times. Okay, and again, you're moving through all 5 groups of exercises. Notice I have the total amount of time listed here. Now here is our table of exercises. Notice we do have 5 groups. You will move from A to B to C to D to E, and then you are done with your workout. So we have Group A, exercise 1, our jump roping. If you do not have a jump rope, you can air jump rope, which is right here. Exercise 2 is mountain climbers. If you do not want to do mountain climbers, you can do plank jacks. Then Group B, we have squat jacks with shuffle and uppercut. If you don't like to do squat jacks, you can just do plain jumping jacks. If you do not want to do the shuffle and uppercut, you can do a step and uppercut. Group C, Heisman with bicycle crunch. If you don't want to do the Heisman, you can do pogo jumps instead. Group D is high knees and shuttle run. High knees, we don't have an alternate for, but the shuttle run, you can just do 3 shuffles shuttle, which is shuffling to the right 3 times, shuffling to the left 3 times. And then finally, Group E, you have the plank and reach. If you don't want to do a plank and reach, you can alternate or substitute that with a regular plank. And then exercise 2 is lateral squat jumps. And if you would prefer not to do that, you can do skaters instead. All right. So as you do your work, you're going to lump together Group A. You exercise 1, rest, exercise 2, rest. Repeat that 3 times. Move to Group B. Same idea, exercise, rest, repeat 3 times, move to Group C. Then we have that same model, Group D, and then Group E, and then your workout is complete. If you would like to add some core onto the end, because that was another request a lot of you had, you can just choose, each of these is about 5 minutes. You can choose any one of these 3. This is one that I would determine to be a little bit easier, medium, and more challenging. And then here's your exit ticket. Your exit ticket is going to be a reflection video where you're going to answer the questions below and make sure you address both of these things in your video. So you're going to explain which workout length you chose, either choice 1, 2, or 3. You're going to tell me why you made this choice. There's no wrong answer, but I just want to know your feedback. It helps me design future workouts. And then the second part is you're going to take a 15-second video of your favorite exercise from the workout. And then on the video, you're also going to explain why this was your favorite. If you didn't have a favorite and you just despised all of it, or you just weren't excited about any of it, you're going to take a 15-second video of which exercise you hated the least from the workout, and then you're explain why this wasn't your most hated exercise. All right. Please understand that I am online from 9:30 until 12:30, and I'll be readily accessible to you. But you can always send me an email or a Schoology message later on, and once I get back onto my email or back onto Schoology, I can help you out then. All right. Good luck. Here we go, guys.